So the man there pan?
Yeah, man. My landlord a pressure me, man. 3 months more, man, thing, and half the deal with my rent. Cause I'm about to put me on start. Just blink me back next week, see?
Big man!
What?
It's another blood clot joke thing. I man don't come out from the joke.
Wormington bad man to bomber fly.
This line, fuck. You think this is a game? You know what's gonna happen to you in jail? I'm gonna personally see to it directly when you come home, man.
Fuck me? No, fuck your girl. Why you playing game?
I'm not playing any games.
Good. I'm thinking I'm different right about now.
We don't need my alone.
Hey, B, tell this bitch to watch her emotional, because I don't discriminate. I beat niggas like bitches and bitches like niggas. It's like disrespect, is it?
By the way, what's your name?
Oh, my name is Ofor.